In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export beautiful PDFs from Notion in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Notion or looking to make the most of your digital documents, exporting them as polished PDFs can be incredibly beneficial. Whether it's for presentation purposes, sharing with colleagues, or simply archiving your work, the process is easy, quick, and will leave you with a document that looks crisp and professional. Let's dive in, step by step. First, we need to begin by opening Notion. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so using your preferred web browser or Notion app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, which will help everything run smoothly. Once logged in, you'll land on your Notion dashboard. Navigate to the specific page you want to export. This can be any page you have within your workspace, from a single note to an entire database. Finding the right page is crucial, so take a moment to locate the content you want to transform into a PDF. Next, once you're on the desired page, look to the upper right corner. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal dots. This is your go-to for accessing more options within Notion pages. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From options such as duplicate, import, and more, you'll want to look for the export option. Upon clicking export, a new window will pop up. Here, you'll find various export formats available. For our purpose, select PDF from the Export Format drop-down menu. This is the key step that turns your Notion page into a sleek PDF document. Now, you have the flexibility to decide if you'd like your PDF to include images and files. In the Include Content drop-down, you can choose to incorporate these elements or leave them out, depending on what best suits your needs. This allows you to tailor the PDF to fit its intended use. In the same window, take a moment to select the page format you prefer. You might have options such as A4 or letter, so pick the one that aligns with how you or others might view or print the PDF. Adjusting the scale % can also help to fit content within the margins, ensuring the document looks just right when printed or seen on various devices. Finally, with all your desired options set, you can hit the Export button. This initiates the exporting process. Within seconds, your page downloads as a PDF file ready to be shared, printed, or archived. And there you have it, a quick and easy method to transform your Notion pages into beautifully formatted PDFs. By following these steps, you can ensure that your documents remain clear, professional, and perfect for any situation. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!